up, nail friends? It's Sarah here, and today I have a haul video for you guys. So I went shopping the other day and I gathered so much stuff, and I thought it'd be great if you guys wanted to see it too. So thought I'd save everything to open up to share with you. So let's get started. First, I started shopping at Nova, and that's the majority where I spent my money. Got a bunch of these toenail clippers that were only around like $1.50, so a super good price. And I've seen a lot of nail techs use these to clip off crystals, so I thought I'd give that a try. Since they're only $1.50, I bought a giant pile of them, so I always have sanitized clippers to clip off Swarovski crystals. They actually do work really well, because I did use them the other day, and I actually found it easier to clip off crystals the other day when I was using these, so I definitely found that with the price and how easy they were, that why not just buy a bunch. So that's what I got first. Then I bought 2 more cuticle pushers. I always like to have a bunch of tools sanitized and clean for the day. So right now this will be my 6th pair of cuticle tools. I just always like to be prepared. So I opened this up, and these ones I got have a bit of a thicker scraper at the end here. So I thought I'd give that a try. So I have a bunch of different ones. Another thing I got were, these are called cuticle scissors. I don't cut cuticles, but I buy the cuticle scissors because they're so small. They're really great for cutting your forms to fit under your client's nails. So I got 2 more pairs of those so that I never run out of scissors. Okay, so we have another big bag here. So in this bag, to start, I've replaced my gloves. These are the ones I was running out of in my empties video, if you guys have seen that. These are my favorite gloves. My nails don't really poke through them. They last the entire service. I don't know, I just really like these gloves. So these are the size medium. These are the ones I wear. Okay, next inside the bag, we have a different kind of face mask than I normally wear. So I'm kind of interested to see how these are gonna do, because I couldn't find the ones I normally go with, so I just went with these ones. So these ones are disposable and they're white. So my other ones used to be blue. They kind of look exactly the same, just a different color. The next thing I got in here are more sanding bands. So I've told you guys in the past that I like to buy everything in bulk, so I decided to buy 5 sanding bands and buy 2 more. I'm not even out, not even close to out. I just never want to be out. I use these for nail preps. That's all I use them for, just 1 per person, and I use them to remove the shine from the natural nails on a super low speed, and I just find that these do a really good job, so I bought 2 more. So I wanted to save a little bit of money, and I decided to go for some lint-free wipes that are a different brand than the Light Elegance. I normally pick Light Elegance. These ones are on sale, so I'm gonna give them a try. I'll open them up and show you guys. So here are what these lint-free wipes look like, and I could totally see lint on these. And then here are the Light Elegance lint-free wipes, and there's not a speck of lint on those. So, whoops, maybe that was not the best choice. Sometimes saving money is not the best choice, but I'm sure I'll find use for these anyway, even if they have some lint in them. If you guys saw my empties video, you guys would see that I accidentally bought some really small buffing blocks I hated. So I know I probably shouldn't have bought these too, but I also got these Silkline small buffing blocks. Everybody seems to like these ones, and I think they're way better quality than the small ones I got. So I'm gonna give them a try, and I'll keep you guys updated if I like these better than the big white buffing blocks. So I'll let you guys know. Okay, some other stuff in here are, I got 2 pump bottles. So I already took one out and put some alcohol in it, and then I just have a spare second one. I was thinking about, I don't know what I want to put in it. I was thinking about maybe putting my Light Elegance cleanser in it, because I have to pick this up and bend it over to pour it out, whereas this might be a little bit more convenient. So yeah, I might do that. I don't know yet. Okay, the last thing in my Nova bag are orange wood sticks. I don't really know why I decided to buy these sticks. I just thought they might be really good at the pointy part at the end here to clean up around the cuticles if you make a mistake with your gel or something. So since they were a good price, I just thought, why not? Okay, after Nova, I went to Michael's, and I purchased this watercolor paint palette that I actually saw Natasha Does Nails, Natasha from Ugly Duckling, posted about this on her Instagram story, so I'll link her down below if you guys can check out her stuff. She also has a YouTube channel. Anyways, she uses this watercolor pen set to do watercolor nails, and I wanted to do some watercolor designs, but wasn't quite sure which palette to get, and this one was only $7, so I thought that was pretty great. Then from there, I went to Forever 21 and decided to pick up a few more knuckle rings because you guys might, if you follow me on Instagram and stuff, I like to jazz up my clients' hands with some knuckle rings before I take photos. So I found some rose gold ones and these are size 7, so I like to put them on the knuckle. So that's why I purchased a size 7. So I'm hoping that these will fit most of my clients' knuckles. I have a few clients with like the tiniest hands ever, so these definitely won't fit them, but I think that these will be good for majority of my clients. And I think they're really pretty. Kind of simple and pretty, and they just add like a little touch, not too much. So that's all I purchased. But then when I got home that same day, I was so excited and I have a package. So I thought I would show you guys what's in this package. I haven't actually opened it, I just kind of broke it open. Had to take a look. And so I haven't actually like close up looked at these yet. So this is from the Nail Studio on Instagram. So they asked if they could send me some glitter. I said yes, of course, because who doesn't love glitter? And I thought I'd show you guys now on camera. So let's jump into that. Okay, so these are just really nice, fine, loose glitters. There's nothing really chunky in here. Let's start with this kind of like pinky rose gold one. So this one's called She's a Princess. And it's kind of like a dusty rose pink. So this would be great if you wanted to mix this with clear acrylic, or you can add this in with your gel. So, or you could use this as a sugar nail, but I kind of feel like this one, She's a Princess, is slightly too, I'd use something a little bit more fine probably if I was gonna be doing sugar nails. Okay, so then they have one that's really similar to that called Once Upon a Dream, and this one is pink, but it has holographic glitter in it. Okay, so now we have two different white looking ones. So one is called Fairy Godmother, and the other one's called Happy Ever After. That's so cute. So this one has more of purples and greens in it. These are both like a clear glitter. You can add these to anything or put them on top or whatever. So this one's more green and purple. And then Happy Ever After has more of that like gold undertint with the orange, yellow, pink, gold kind of undertint. Then we have some blues. So there is a holographic kind of medium blue here called If the Slipper Fits. So I'm kind of assuming that this is a whole collection of some sort of like princess collection. So this one's called If the Shoe Fits, and it's blue and it has some hollow in it. And then we have a darker blue one here that has no hollow in it called Royally Wed. Okay, we also have two silvers. So this one is called Prince Charming. So this one's just a plain solid basic silver, no hollow in it whatsoever. And then the matching one is called Wish Upon a Star, and this is a little bit finer, it looks like, and it's all just hollow. Yes, all that hollow. Okay, I have a black one here. This one's called Evil Queen. That's a great name. So looking inside, it looks like it's basic plain black. Yeah, just a basic kind of dark black glitter. Then we also have 3 left here, so I got 3 more. So this one is called There Is No Place Like Home, and it's more like a red, but it's kind of got a pink tint to it, and it has no hollow in it, it's just plain glitter. And then I got a purple one here called Hurry Home Princess, and it's a nice medium shade of royal purple with no hollow in that one. And then the last one I have here is called Love at First Kiss, and this one's a hollow fuchsia. Okay, so that's everything I got today. I hope you guys like this video, and don't forget to check back because I love to shop, so I'm gonna be actually heading out right now to go shopping. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to share, like, comment, and subscribe. Keep your nails long and your glitter strong.